Welcome back to Future Car, where we explore the next generation of automotive innovation. Today, we're diving into the 2026 Honda Accord, a mid-size sedan that blends advanced technology, refined design, and impressive efficiency. Whether you're considering a new vehicle or just a car enthusiast, this model stands out in the crowded sedan market. The 2026 Accord showcases a sleek, modern design with subtle updates that enhance its road presence. The front features a redesigned grille and sharper LED headlights, giving it a more aggressive look. The sculpted bumper and extended daytime running lights add to its dynamic appearance, while the side profile maintains the Accord's signature elegance. At the rear, the signature LED taillight bar remains, ensuring the Accord's distinctive identity on the road. Inside, the Accord offers a spacious and refined cabin. Premium materials, including soft-touch surfaces and leather seating, create a comfortable environment. The dashboard is designed for clarity and ease of use, with a horizontal layout that minimizes distractions. The 12.3-inch touchscreen infotainment system is standard on hybrid trims, supporting wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto for seamless smartphone integration. Additionally, a 10.2-inch digital instrument cluster and optional head-up display provide drivers with essential information at a glance. Under the hood, the 2026 Accord offers two powertrain options. The base 1.5-liter turbocharged four-cylinder engine delivers 192 horsepower, providing a balance of performance and efficiency. For those seeking enhanced fuel economy, the hybrid variant combines a 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine with two electric motors to produce a combined 204 horsepower. This hybrid setup achieves an impressive EPA-estimated 51 mpg in the city and 48 mpg on the highway, making it one of the most fuel-efficient sedans in its class. Honda's commitment to driving dynamics is evident in the Accord's performance. The suspension has been refined to offer a smooth and composed ride, with improved damping and reduced road noise. The steering is precise, and the brake feel has been enhanced for a more natural driving experience. Whether navigating city streets or cruising on the highway, the Accord delivers a confident and comfortable ride. Safety remains a top priority for Honda. The 2026 Accord comes equipped with the Honda Sensing suite of driver-assistive technologies, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and automatic emergency braking. Higher trims add features like traffic jam assist and a 360-degree camera system, further enhancing driver confidence and safety. In terms of pricing, the 2026 Accord is expected to start around $29,390 for the base LX trim, with higher trims offering additional features and technology. This positions the Accord competitively within the mid-size sedan segment, offering a premium experience at a reasonable price point. In conclusion, the 2026 Honda Accord is a well-rounded mid-size sedan that balances style, efficiency, and technology. Its refined design, advanced features, and impressive fuel economy make it a compelling choice for those in the market for a new vehicle. If you're interested in a sedan that offers both practicality